Far out over the warm tropical oceans, a quiet disturbance begins to grow. What starts as a gentle swirl of wind and moisture soon transforms into one of nature's most powerful and destructive forces, a hurricane. With roaring winds, torrential rains, and towering waves, these massive storms, known as typhoons or cyclones in other regions, can devastate entire communities, reminding us of both the beauty and the ferocity of our planet's atmosphere. Before I continue, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so more people can discover this content. Also subscribe to receive more content like this. A hurricane is one of nature's most powerful and destructive forces. Scientifically, it is a type of tropical cyclone, a massive, rotating storm system that forms over warm ocean waters near the equator. Hurricanes are characterized by strong winds, torrential rains, and low atmospheric pressure. They can bring about catastrophic damage when they make landfall, including flooding, storm surges, which is an abnormal rise in sea level caused by a storm, and widespread destruction to infrastructure. Hurricanes form under specific environmental conditions. Warm, moist air from the ocean's surface rises and creates a zone of low pressure beneath it. As more air rushes in to fill the low-pressure area, it also warms and rises, creating a continuous cycle. The rotation of the Earth, known as the Coriolis effect, causes this rising air to spin, forming the circular motion that defines a hurricane. For a storm to develop into a hurricane, the ocean temperature must typically be at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. As the storm gathers strength, it becomes organized, developing an eye wall, and spiraling rain bands. The strength of a hurricane is measured using the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale, which classifies hurricanes into 5 categories based on sustained wind speeds. A Category 1 hurricane has wind speeds between 74 and 95 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 119 to 153 kilometers per hour, and causes relatively minimal damage, primarily to roofs, gutters, and uproot trees with shallow roots. Category 2 hurricanes have winds between 96 and 110 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 154 to 177 kilometers per hour, often resulting in extensive damage to roofs. Numerous trees will be snapped or uprooted, and widespread power outages that can last for weeks. Category 3, 4, and 5 hurricanes are considered major hurricanes due to their devastating or catastrophic potential. A Category 3 hurricane has wind speeds between 111 and 129 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 178 to 208 kilometers per hour, causing severe structural damage to well-built homes, especially to roofs and siding. Many trees are snapped or uprooted. Power and water outages can last for days or weeks, and coastal areas may experience significant flooding. While Category 4 ranges from 130 to 156 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 209 to 251 kilometers per hour, severely damaging homes, tearing off roofs, and toppling most trees and power poles. Widespread power outages and water shortages can last for weeks or even months, leaving affected areas largely uninhabitable. The most intense, Category 5, features winds exceeding 157 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 252 kilometers per hour or more, capable of destroying entire communities and landscapes. While the phenomenon is the same globally, the name used to describe these storms depends on the region. In the Atlantic Ocean and the Northeast Pacific, they are called hurricanes. In the Northwest Pacific, the same type of storm is known as a typhoon, while in the Indian Ocean and the South Pacific, it is referred to as a cyclone. For instance, Hurricane Katrina in 2005 struck the United States. Typhoon Haiyan in 2013 devastated the Philippines, and Cyclone Idai in 2019 affected parts of southeastern Africa. In the Australian region, these storms are simply called tropical cyclones. Despite the different names, they all share the same origin, structure, and destructive potential. Hurricanes are named by the World Meteorological Organization, otherwise known as WMO, using predetermined lists of names that rotate every 6 years. If a hurricane causes exceptional damage or loss of life, its name is permanently retired out of respect for the victims. Once a hurricane moves over land or cold water, it quickly loses strength because it no longer has access to the warm, moist air that fuels it. As a result, its winds weaken and it eventually dissipates. Hurricanes are extraordinary natural events that demonstrate both the power and complexity of Earth's atmosphere. Understanding how they form, how they are classified, and how they differ in name across regions helps scientists and communities prepare for their impact. While modern forecasting has improved our ability to track and predict these storms, hurricanes continue to remind us of nature's immense and unpredictable power. If you enjoyed learning about hurricanes and how these incredible forces shape our world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Your comments and thoughts help us grow, so drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to explore next. Stay curious, and thanks for watching.